destination is on the right.
Look. Where are we? We're at Centre Parks. Right, let's go and get in there.
Say hi everyone. Where's Moo? Can I see you down there, Moo? Oh yeah, just.
Oh, hate the rain. Makes me so bloody miserable.
Alright. Welcome back to Centre Park. Hello guys, we are actually back in the Centre Parks. This time Longford Forest in Ireland. We are Birch 247. Really nice actually because we're out on the outskirts. We're right on the edge of a park and it is just beautiful forest, nothing else. Anyway, have a look at that lodge. What the hell is that? Tutti Frutti popcorn.
Happy what? Oh, these are my favourites, not chocolate fudges.
Yeah, how much is a cup here? I wonder. Toffee? What is it? I do apologise. We've just got to a park market and there is no cake. No cake stand. How can you have park market without a cake stand? This is rubbish. Rubbish Irish. Bloody Centre Parks. Look. Literally Krispy Kremes and that's it. Complaining? Doing, doing, doing. I want it so rigid. You want it? No, not so rigid. That's it. Then you run up and then unclip. better. Whose go? Is it your go?
Yeah. So far, I've actually beat all of you, but this is where I go downhill.
Yep.
And I lose interest. Maybe a bit of alcohol helps.
Only have 6.
I know.
Not an 8. Is an 8 too heavy for you? Well, you got the 6. 6 there.
I'll go for this one.
Look. It's these 2.
That's why I got it so bad.
Oh, that'll be it, yeah. Needs to be more fluid. That way around. That's it. You want to run up like this, with it back, and then under. Yeah. Jesus, you got. I said run up to it, not launch it. Strike! Just drop it. No way is she gonna.
Madison! I think you won. You ready? I think you actually won, Hadimu. She's won! Who's the winner? You won! You won! 1 point. You won. You beat Daddy.
When did I come?
You last.
Good morning, day 2 in Longford Forest, and it is a gorgeous day. Look at that. Sun is shining. That's an eye, not a monster.
No, no.
Oh, looks like a cat, like a Chinese cat with an eye on its head. Anyway, get you out the front. Beautiful day. Man going off on his bike.
And I'm about to knock him over.
Very nice. So yeah, we are going all day swimming today. Whenever we're at Centre Parks, we always make a point of having a day where we just swim all day. We're going to get lunch in the pool. Well, not actually in the pool, but. And the girls, it's the first time ever that the girls get to go on
A papid.
On the rapids. Yeah. Are you excited to go on the rapids?
Papid.
Are you excited? So guys, what's first impressions of Centre Parks, Ireland?
Lovely.
Madison's very itchy.
See, now I think the Irish don't know what they're missing out on. I'm still very upset about the bakery not being here.
Oh god, yeah. Do you remember
The
I used to
cake.
get the custard
They
slice?
used to have the big meringues.
Oh, do you remember?
Daddy had a mint cheesecake sort of thing once.
Well, I don't know.
That was the one thing that I was actually really looking forward to coming
Yeah.
here, was the bakery bit. Yeah, but that's different. They got no
Also,
bakery.
very expensive. Their park market is crap, basically. Everything else so far is good,
Yeah.
but park market.
Don't go to Casa. That's really like 20 euros for a
Casa?
burger.
Casa,
What was it called?
Cara,
Oh,
Caras.
well, similar thing.
But yeah,
Yeah, you can.
in the park market here, 2 bags of shopping was 97 euros. Admittedly, we had a box of Krispy Kremes.
I had vodka,
Even so.
and you had some Bolters.
But yeah, definitely missing a trick on the old bakery. Also, the Sweet Treats doesn't have the handmade fudge or handmade chocolate, which is another. It's just not good. It's almost like they know we're fat. Quick, remove them from sale whilst the Joneses are here. Anyway, we're going swimming now. Yeah.
But I had floaties on.
Gas in the tank, gas in the rear view. 2 lanes in a big sky clear view. No map, no, we don't know where we're going. We're just keeping these 4 tires rolling. Sunshine and the wind blowing in your hair. I don't care, baby, you can take me anywhere. Pedal down, hearts racing to 100. All we gotta do is keep the engine running. Whoa, let it wild, let it curve every now and now, singing love to a summertime song on the radio dial. You and me is all we need, soaking in a little wild and free. No, we don't know where we're going, we just wanna get going. Hey, we don't know where we're going, we just wanna get going. We don't know where we're going, we just wanna.
You got to jump, you just got to jump. You have to just jump. That's the whole point of it. What?